Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Maybe Unique, and today we're just going to see how to find the how to see the search history of your prompt on your Google Gemini. How to see the you can get more questions on the Google Gemini, so you can see the search history like a browser on your mobile phone. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe and below. We just quickly get into the video. How to find the old prompt on your Gemini. So open your Gemini first and click on the three-dot option on the top. Now here you can find all the old prompt, and you can also search history of the prompt. You can see there is an option called recent. You can just swipe down to check all the prompt that you have been searched on your Google Gemini. This is the only way that you can just easily check. Just click on the three-dot option on the top and you can just see all the prompt you has been searched. It's like a YouTube history, watch history, like a YouTube Google search history, and like your Gemini search history. So here you can just click on the prompt again by clicking it, and you can also see the total result that came over while you just created the prompt. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with this super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful and beautiful day.